We are here at the PullRite Display, and I am joined by Scott from PullRite. Scott, tell us a little more about PullRite. What is it exactly that you guys do?
Well, Brendan, we're a hitch manufacturer. All we make are fifth wheel hitches. We're based out of northern Indiana in Mishawaka, and we specialize in fully automatic sliders.
And I know the SuperGlide is one of the more popular products that we have in our parts store in North Tonawanda. We set our customers up with these pretty much every day. Can you explain why they are so popular?
They're so popular because they're fully automatic, unlike manual sliding hitches where you need to anticipate turns you don't know about, find a safe place to pull off the side of the highway, get out of the truck, unlock the hitch. And the automatic slide, as soon as you start making the turn, the hitch automatically pulls the trailer away from the cab of the truck.
So it adds nice protection while you're driving,
Absolutely.
right? You don't have to worry about anything shifting or falling off.
So going forward or backwards, the hitch is always going to work. It's a solid hitch. They come in different weight ratings, 12,000, 16, 20, and 24,000.
Perfect. So it's USA made, sturdy, stands up for all your road trips, all your travels. You're never going to have to worry about it.
That's right.
So like I mentioned a little bit earlier, Colton RV is proud to offer these PullRite products to our customers from our parts store. Scott, thank you for your time.
Brendan,
I
it's been a pleasure. Thank you very much.
Telling us all about the SuperGlide. And if you guys have any questions about the SuperGlide or any other of the PullRite products, give us a call. We'd be happy to help you out.